Hello, pot delighters. I promised to share this recipe with you, right? Juicy oven baked chicken. And here we go. First, I made my pepper mix, which included red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, carrots, onions, ginger, garlic, habanero pepper, spring onion, bay leaf, dry rosemary. Yes, blend everything together. Pour it into a bowl. Let's season this. Yes, we have to season it to get a perfect marinade for our chicken. You can use any spices that you prefer, but I am using grilled spices, smoked paprika, black pepper, all peppers, vegetable spice, and some salt. Yes, season it up very well to get a perfect chicken. And I'm adding some vegetable oil. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, or any cooking oil you have at home. Give that a thorough mix and keep aside. Now to the chicken. Clean the chicken very well. Cut it up a bit so the marinade can be absorbed. Generously apply the marinade to every part of the chicken. Yes. and some chopped veggies, and that's totally optional. I just choose to add it. Cover and let it sit in the fridge overnight, or at least 2 hours. Now ready to bake. Bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. I brought it out, turned it onto a grilling bar just to cook it dry a bit. I added more marinade and allowed it to cook for 30 minutes more. Yes, I got some stock from this chicken that I'm going to use for jollof rice. Finally, our chicken is ready. This is a meal on its own, as you can see. And it can also go with plain boiled rice, potato salad, in fact, anything. I had mine with some fried rice. The fried rice recipe has been posted. You can check it out. Now tell me how you are going to eat this chicken in the comment section. And if you try this recipe at home, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing recipes. Bye!